In the world of non-Amazon advertising, in other words, advertising on Facebook or Google or Bing or Pinterest or TikTok, if you sent your ad clickers over to Amazon.com to purchase something, you couldn't close the loop. You wouldn't know if something was actually attributed to that ad, which made deciding whether to continue to spend money on those channels really difficult. You didn't have a 360-degree view of what your ads were doing. Well, now Amazon has attribution. This is new. It's been available in for Amazon sellers for a while, but now it's available for KDP. So here's how it works. What you'll do is you'll log into your Amazon Ads account, and it's only available for .com and US users at the moment, but it's coming for everybody else. And you'll go to this measurement and reporting section right here. And then you've got things that are broken up into four things. So you've got campaigns, ad groups, channels and publishers, and attribution tags. Think of this as a pyramid. It's kind of the same as when you run ads on other platforms, but keep it simple. So what I would do, and you can do this any way you want, but the simplest way that I use it for my campaigns, which corresponds with how I run Facebook ads and Google ads, etc., is I take the campaign and make that the product. So I'm going to click Create Campaign, and I'm going to create manually. Now, if you have links and you're running tons of ads on Facebook or Google or somewhere else, you can upload them, but I am going to go ahead and create them manually. And then I'm going to come to this and I'm going to do it, for me, I'm just going to do issue 18. Now we have the magazine. I'm showing you the example of the magazine. We have it in both ebook and print format. So I'm going to come down and I'm going to look for issue 18, and I'm going to add these two products. So now they're over here. Now I'm going to come down and I'm going to create an ad group, and I can create multiple ad groups, but your ad groups correspond to where you're running the ads. So this one I'm going to call issue 18, and this one's going to be paperback, and it's going to be Facebook. You can name these anything you want, but I've always found that it's really much easier if you've got a lot of description in the group names so that you can look at them at a glance. That'll make sense in a second. Then you've got the publisher. This is where you're going to publish the ads, and they've got a bunch in there that you have available to choose from. Come down a little bit. I've added a couple. So I had draft to digital in here to test. So I put D2D if you're running ads on Facebook or eBay, Fox, Google AdWords. You can choose whoever it is here, and you have a free field here so you can type it in. You can click new and then type it in. So let's say I'm going to do Bing just for grins. Now I'm going to choose the channel, and you've got search basically because that's the only one that it has with Bing. But if you were going to do something else, like you were going to do Google AdWords, you would have search, and then you might also have display. Or if you were doing D2D, you could choose search, social, video. When you select it, it restricts your sections here. None of this really matters until you're kind of creating corresponding reports later and merging things together, like your Google Analytics and this, but keep it simple and just choose the basics. Then you're going to use the click-through URL. This is the Amazon URL that you're going to send them to. So remember, I have these two products to choose from, but this ad group is my Facebook, and I want to advertise paperback. So I want to send them to the paperback URL. So I'm going to copy this link right here, and then I'm going to put this Amazon link right there. Then I'm going to create a second ad group, and I'm going to call it issue 18, and this is going to be the ebook. And I'm doing this because I'm sending them to separate destinations. So let's say this one, I'm running an ad on Facebook, and so that's going to be social because that's a social channel. Now I'm going to go grab the the link address for my ebook here. I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm done. And then I'm going to go up here and click create. So now it's going to create links that I can now use in those ads. So here we go. So if I'm going to when I run my Facebook ad, I'm not going to use the click-through URL here. I'm going to use this attribution tag. And I'm going to set up my Facebook ad. And when I set up my Facebook ad, I'm going to say, this is the link I want people to click to. And they're going to go all the way through and they're going to get to Amazon. If they buy it, then I'm going to know that they bought it. And I'm going to know they bought it as a result of this ad that I run. So this is my ebook. Or if I'm going to run it on Facebook, although I chose D2D here, I'm going to use this to publish all my ads when I want someone to go for the paperback version. So it really just closes the loop. It gives you the fullest view of how your ads are doing. Now, when I come back to the campaign list, and when I have some data, it's going to tell me how many people click through to that ad, what the detailed page views were, how many products they saw, how many people purchased. They can show you my Kindle Unlimited read, the normalized page read, and then it'll also give you the estimated royalties. So this lets you advertise off Amazon, but then understand how those ads impact your sales. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, drop me a note, let me know. We'll do more videos like this, just kind of highlighting some tools. Have a great day.